Everyone thinks the best-selling zero-turn mowers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Zero Turn Bar. The Zero Turn Bar caught my eye with its unique design, allowing for one-handed operation of your zero-turn mower. Priced at $149, it's aimed at those who want more control while mowing. If you want to easily steer your mower and keep one hand free for drinks or tools, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The patented design includes an expanding end that lets you perform tight turns and three-point turns effortlessly, all while keeping one hand on the wheel. This feature is a real game changer for anyone who finds it cumbersome to manage a two-handed steering system. Plus, it mounts easily to most mowers, so installation is a breeze. With over 200 sold in the last month, it's clear that many are seeing its value. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tricky to install if your mower has less than 11.25 inches of horizontal bar width. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on compatible mowers, the benefits far outweigh this minor hiccup. This is perfect for you if you need more control while mowing without sacrificing productivity. Skip this one if you have a mower that doesn't meet the width requirement. For the price, it's a solid investment for making your mowing experience much smoother. Now, if that installation issue bothered you, this next product offers a different kind of convenience.
Product number 2, Caltric 48-inch deck high lift blades. These Caltric 48-inch deck high lift blades are designed specifically for those who want top-notch cutting performance on their mowers. While the exact price isn't listed, these blades are made to fit various popular brands. If you want your mower to slice through grass like butter, this is definitely worth considering. Why does this matter for you? These blades are high lift, meaning they create a vacuum effect that stands up grass for a cleaner cut. With 3 blades included, you'll have everything you need to maintain your mower's efficiency. They've been designed to fit a variety of models, which opens up a lot of options for users. The precision cutting edge helps in reducing clumping and enhances the overall look of your lawn. Now, a few users mentioned that they had compatibility issues with some older models, but here's the thing. If you take the time to verify that they fit your specific mower model, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a lawn care professional or a serious DIYer looking for efficient mowing. Skip this if you own an older mower that might not work with these blades. For the quality, it's a solid investment to keep your lawn looking pristine. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting extended durability.
Product number 3, Caltric 038-5350-00 48-inch deck blade. Next up, we have the Caltric 038-5350-00 deck blade. This one stands out with its 6-piece set, making it perfect for those who want to keep their mower blades sharp and ready for action. Like the previous product, pricing isn't listed, but it's compatible with a wide range of mowers. If you want longevity and performance, this is worth your attention. What's great about this product is how it's made to handle tough grass without dulling. The high lift feature enhances the cutting ability, which means you can tackle thick grass with ease. The versatility and compatibility is a big plus too. You can use it with several mower brands. However, some buyers have reported that the blades didn't perform as well as expected on wet grass. Here's the thing. While that's a fair point, most blades struggle in wet conditions. If you're mindful of mowing during drier spells, this won't be a problem for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable set of blades to keep your mower in top shape. Skip this if you frequently mow in wet conditions. For the price you pay, you're getting a solid product that enhances lawn health. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, the next product on our list might catch your eye.
Product number 4, Caltric 48110 compatible blade set. The Caltric 48110 compatible blade set is another strong contender. It consists of 3 high-lift blades designed for various models, and while we don't have a listed price, it's tailored for several popular brands. If you're serious about maintaining your mower's cutting power, this one might be right for you. These blades are engineered for a precise cut, making them ideal for commercial use. The high-lift design ensures that grass is efficiently lifted for a cleaner, more uniform cut. It's vital for anyone looking to make a professional impression with their lawn care.
Plus, their compatibility with multiple brands means you don't have to worry about fitting issues. However, some users noted they experienced a shorter lifespan compared to OEM blades. But here's the thing, if you're using your mower heavily, any blade will wear down faster. Just keep that in mind for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you need reliable performance without the hefty price tag of original equipment blades. Skip this if you want blades that last longer in heavy use scenarios. For the price, it's a good trade-off for quality and compatibility. Now, if you're looking for something really specialized, the final product on our list is sure to impress.
Product number 5. Caltric 48-inch deck blades for skag mowers. They're priced similarly to others on this list, but offer specialized features for skag mowers. If you own a skag, this is a must-see. These blades deliver a high lift performance that's perfect for commercial use, providing a clean cut even in challenging conditions. They're designed to reduce clumping, ensuring your lawn looks neat and well-maintained. Plus, they boast compatibility with several models, which is vital for users who want to switch things up without hassle. Some users have reported that these blades can be noisy compared to others, but here's the thing. A little noise often indicates a powerful engine performing well. That said, if noise is a major concern for you, it might be worth considering. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quality and performance in your skag mower. Skip this if you're looking for quiet operation during mowing. For the performance you get, it's a smart investment for maintaining a professional lawn appearance.
So we've covered some great options today. The zero-turn bar for control, Caltric's blades for durability, and specialized options for skag mowers. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make your mowing experience smoother. Choose the one that fits your needs best.